Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal, and in this video we are going to solve this 3 power x minus 3 power y is equals to 234, and we have to calculate the value of x and y where x and y belongs to a positive integer. So let's start with today's solution. So I can break the 234 in two numbers like 243 minus 9. Here 3 power x minus 3 power y. Now we know that if we take the least common multiple of 243 and write it in the exponent, so I can write it as in terms of 3 power 5 and 9 as 3 power 2. So if I compare 3 power x with 3 power 5, the value of x is 5. And if I compare minus 3 power y with minus 3 power 2, so the value of 5 will be 2. That's how you can find the values. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.